Science Experiments, and today we're back with another awesome, amazing, and cool experiment video. And its name is glowing water. Yeah, glowing water. Okay, when you think of it, something like it might come in your brain like the water will be sparkly or it will be cool and will glow. So yeah, you're correct. If you're thinking like that, so what are you waiting for? Let's start with the experiment! Here are the things we will be needing. Water, a four-set,
Highlighters, pink, blue, orange.
3 different color highlighters. You can
Pink,
use
blue, orange.
any color. We are using over here pink, blue, and orange. And 3 empty glass. Okay. Oh, one more thing left.
What?
Gloves. You probably don't want to get messy. Here, Polly, where are yours? The first step is to fill all of these 3 empty glasses with water. Okay, we are going to fill it like half. This much. It should be this much in all of them. This. The second step is going to be, we're going to take out the marker, sorry, the highlighter. Oh, oopsies. And then this, take out this thing, this ink, and then place it inside the water. Same we're going to do with all of the glasses. Boom! Guys, look who is back! Me and Polly! Okay, whatever. It's done mine. So now, after like 30 minutes, when the water became colorful, we switched off all of the lights, and then me and Polly decided to prove it to you guys that this water is really clean. So one by one, me and Polly are going to, use the flash, put it at the back of the glass, and show you how the water glows. So the first is the orange one.
Orange
Those
juice?
guys.
Do you say orange juice?
No, don't even try to drink it, guys. Okay, yeah, it reminded me of something like, don't drink this. Although this looks really colorful, but it's poisonous, so don't drink it, okay? So this is orange. So here we have orange. Look guys, it really looks shiny and bright, glowing. I really like it. And the next is blue. So the blue, it also looks kind of pretty. The color is kind of pretty. And I really liked it. Now the last one, my favorite one, pink. So what's your favorite over here?
Green.
But green is not over here.
Blue.
So you like blue? And I like pink. So just guys see how beautiful does this look? It's really shiny and beautiful. I really like it. Oh my god. So guys, after the experiment, the first question coming in your mind might be like, if the color dyed water glows, but then why doesn't the normal water glow? So here's the explanation I've got for you. The ultraviolet light, okay, of course, UV light, UV stands for ultraviolet, coming from your backlight, a lamp excites things called phosphorus. The dye from highlighter pens contains phosphorus that turn UV light, light we can't see. Okay, the UV light is the light we can't see at that time. Into visible light, light we can see, the visible light, you know, the light we can see. That's why your water glows in the dark when you shine a backlight. So guys, it's now time to end the video. Hope you enjoyed this experiment, and don't forget to try it at your homes and mail us at the given address below. And also don't forget to subscribe and like, and also don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram.